Skateboarding is as dangerous as it is unpredictable. Every attempt a skater takes is a substantial physical risk.
We're at Battery Park right now, and we have a very intense obstacle we're about to skate. Well, I'm gonna do a bunch of setting up now, make sure the lights are perfect, and do a bunch of testing to make sure everything is good before I actually have the skaters skate. So because the sun is coming from over here, we want to fill in all of the shadows and the sun isn't meeting. So we're gonna have one strobe right here. We're gonna grab one more light. Gonna set it up top here. We've got the two 600X RT speed lights set up, full power, and we've got the transmitter right here. And I'm gonna be shooting fisheye from this corner right here. One of the cardinal sins of shooting skateboarding is cropping off arms at the top or the ground at the bottom. So to ensure I don't do that, I'm gonna give a little bit of extra space. Because the 90D has a 32.5 megapixel sensor, doing that's not a big deal because I can just crop in a little bit and still have a solidly large image. Another thing here, I'm gonna take advantage of the 90D's flip out LCD screen. So I'm gonna frame up the shot in live view. And now when Shane's gonna come, I'm gonna grab the shot really quick, and as soon as I fire it off, I'm gonna pull my camera away and my body away so no one gets hit. And we're gonna keep that process going until Shane gets his trick.
As a photographer, my job is to guide them through the process. I need to play to the skater's energy, knowing when to provide sheer silence, healthy doses of encouragement, or be the extreme hype man I absolutely love to be.
Oh, with that back foot, oh! Hey Dylan, I think you're gonna land it this try.
I need to be prepared for the trick being landed on any attempts, giving me no margin for error. I need to nail the photo.
Just like that, skater lands their trick, everyone is stoked, and we can move on to the next spot.